Nā, I te wā I hari atu ai e Denise Sterling tana tamāhine ki te hohipera o Tūranga, ki te whakawhānau I tana tamaiti, kore rawa ia I whakaaro ake, ka riro māna taua pēpi e whakawhānau ki roto I tōna waka. Me te aha e hara tēnei I te wā tuatahi, kua whakawhānau tia e Denise tētahi o āna mokopuna.
E tikāna te kōrero, ko Baby Grace, he perehana kirihi me te, I tai moata, I tai ohorere mai, ki te whānau Sterling.
All we had time to do was get the underwear off, here's the baby coming, and then Corty. That was it, so fast.
I te haurua o te rima I te ata o te tūrei, I haria Denise I tana tamāhine a Tina, ki runga ki tēnei waka, ki te whakawhānau I tana pēpi, ki te hohipera.
Mum, here it comes, and I've run around here, opened up the door, and had a look, and instantly I've seen the baby was there, and I've caught her, and passed her straight up to her mum, and that was it. That was it. So easy, so perfect.
That's pretty cool. It makes it more special. More family around.
We're blessed that nothing went wrong, really. It all went quite good. It was cold and my hands were freezing. Poor baby.
He oi kaore mutu ngā merekara a Denise ki reira, nāna hoki te tuakana o Grace, ara a manaia e ki te ake nei I whakawhānau.
Been blessed with that for sure, but just been lucky to be there at the right time. The dad could have been there, but I was there.
E ai anō kia māma rāua ko Karani māma, ki te sūpono mai he ahuatanga pēnei anō, ko tahi noai ho te hia, me mahi ki rō whare, kaua ki rō waka.
It's a beautiful Christmas present for everyone. Beautiful story.
Ki ngikiri ona, te karere.